Hello there, my name is Cheryl and this is my first video on Mum's Gone Natural. Today I want to teach you how you can make a leave-in conditioner just using 3 simple ingredients in which you can find in your home. Now I love this conditioner. It's one of the first things that I decided to try on my journey to make more natural beauty products. My hair was a dry, frizzy mess. No kidding. My hair was dry and brittle. I was washing it on a daily basis and the products that I was using just wasn't making it feel good. So I started my journey to look into products that were being more natural and leaving my hair feeling healthier. And when I found this recipe, I knew I had to try it because I already had the ingredients in my cupboards. My teenager thought I was mad, but even she's tried it and raves about how good this product is making her hair feel. You can put this conditioner in your hair just after you've washed it or when dry if you need a little pick-me-up. So here we go, this is the recipe and what you'll need. First off, you're going to need coconut milk. Now coconut milk is great because it contains all the essential nutrients that is required for healthy hair, boosting your hair follicles and promoting hair growth. The next ingredient would be avocado oil. This benefits your hair because it is rich in oleic acids and monounsaturated fats, making it one of the few oils that really penetrate the hair shaft and moisturising your hair, rather than just sitting on top and coating your hair. It's also known to strengthen and help prevent breakages. And the last ingredient is water. I don't tend to measure my ingredients, and as you can see here, I only use a small amount of avocado oil and coconut milk. So depending on the size of the bottle that you intend to use depends on how much you need. But approximately you'll need 1 tablespoon of coconut milk and 1 tablespoon of avocado oil or olive oil if you decided to substitute. I then want you to fill the rest of the bottle up with water. Give this a good stir. If your coconut milk is not blending very well, it may be worth warming it up just a couple seconds in the microwave, just to give a chance for the coconut milk to blend into the water. Give this a good shake and you're done. It really is as simple as that. Now I use a 100 ml spritz bottle and this will tend to last me a month. You will need to shake the bottle every time you use it because the ingredients will separate. Spray a fine mist into your hair or pour a small amount into your hand and rub your hands together and apply to the lengths of your hair. Personally, I wouldn't use this at the roots as your natural hair serum could get a bit oily. Give your hair a good brush and notice the difference. Your hair will feel softer and frizz will be gone. You can add more if you feel you need it, but don't overdo it, otherwise your hair will look greasy. If you liked my video and like to learn more simple recipes that you can make at home, please check out my channel and subscribe. Over the next few weeks, I will be placing more videos up on hair care products, beauty products, as well as cleaning products that you can make from your own home. Now I love to hear of how this video would help you. So if you've tried this recipe, give me a comment below and tell me how it worked out for you. So for now, goodbye and see you in the next video.